Just came back from the thrift. I got this Broncos hat. Very excited about it, but I do need to restore it. It does have some dirt, as you can see right there, right there. So we're gonna clean all this up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use shampoo, because it's just regular dirt. And if that dirt was in your hair, right, you would use shampoo. So that's why I use shampoo for these. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that next. All right, so how to do this real quick. You just wanna run your cold water, get the hat wet, get it wet, really easy. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but we're gonna do it. Then you just get your shampoo. You just wanna pour it on there. That's actually too much, but yeah, that's too much. So then you just work it in. Just work it in. See that? You just work it in until you get some studs. Now once the hat is all soapy, sudsy, then you just rinse it out. That simple. All right, now last step is of course to dry the hat. So I got a hanger, put it on the back of a chair, got a fan. This is very simple. Turn the fan on. And you just leave it like this for like an hour, or not even that long, and you're good.